Assalamu alaikum my friends. Today we'll be making chicken Caesar salad. Yum, I love salads. And as you guessed it, I love Caesar salad the most. And hopefully we'll be making more videos of different kind of salads because I have tons and tons of ideas. You will need chicken tenders or chicken breasts cut into strips, and you could marinate them with any kind of spices that you like. Here I used ginger powder, cumin, paprika, salt, chili powder, red chili powder, and black pepper. I also use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it a good mix. And then add olive oil. Let it marinate for at least 20 minutes. For the toast, I used 3 whole wheat toast. I do not cut the crust, to be honest. I think when you cut the crust, it's just waste of food. I have tried it with the crust and without the crust, and the taste is still the same. Here's a tip. Do not stack the toast on top of each other and cut them into cubes. Cut each toast individually, because if you do that, it will get mushy, and trust me, it's not good. And then in a bowl, mince 1 clove of garlic, a pinch of salt, and lots of olive oil. In the Caesar salad recipe, I use all extra virgin olive oil. Mix the oil and the garlic together and put the bread inside and toss it and mix it, and to make sure that all the breads are incorporated with the oil. For the dressing, I use 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayo. Most of the people just go all mayo. Trust me, this will taste really good and much more healthier. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a tablespoon of yellow mustard, black pepper, and the secret ingredient is canned anchovies. Trust me, you would not taste it. I've been making Caesar salad for many years, and then one time I told my family that I always use canned anchovies in my Caesar salad. They were all surprised because they never tasted it. It brings the whole entire dressing together.
Not now.
Don't forget that the canned anchovies is salty, so bear that in mind when you put the salt. Put black pepper, mix it together. I use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You could use lemon juice or vinegar, completely up to you, or the mix of both. And then while whisking, add the olive oil gradually and whisk until everything is incorporated together. In a pan, add olive oil and then place the chicken tenders in the pan and grill them for 5 minutes in each side. Take them out of the pan and let them cool completely, and then cut them into strips. In the baking tray, place the cube toast, and then toast them in the oven until they're golden brown. Do not cut the chicken while they're hot because all the juices will escape from it and the chicken will be dry. And of course, let's not forget the star of the show is the lettuce. Here we use Roman lettuce. This is typically what they use for the Caesar salad. Some people use different kind of lettuce, but if you want my opinion, use Roman lettuce. Other lettuce will wither very easily, or just the taste won't complement together. But the Roman lettuce is the best. I washed each leaf individually. I tear them with my hands. I don't use a knife. I just want them in big chunks. And then place the chicken strips on top of the lettuce. And finally, add some Parmesan cheese. Add the toasted bread and drizzle some Caesar salad dressing. Keep some of the dressing aside, and bon appetit. It's that easy to make and it tastes so good. And you'll be wondering to yourself, why have I not been doing this at home all these years, or I've just been ordering it out of the restaurant? It's so much better than the restaurants because it's much healthier and you know exactly what you put inside of it.